the Bloodwise TAP program, which is sort of sponsored by Bloodwise, we've used in CLL for a series of moderate-sized phase 2 trials. So we've been treating patients, 40 or 50 patients with novel drugs or novel combinations, and really studying them in great detail. So rather than seeing what happens in the long term, 2, 3, 4 years down the line, we're actually looking at responses within the days and weeks of starting treatment to try and really get a handle on whether combinations are better. So the Clarity study is the first trial in CLL where we've combined Ibrutinib and Venetoclax. And so we gave an 8-week run-in with Ibrutinib to debulk the disease and add Venetoclax. And the aim of the trial is, at the primary endpoint, at 12 months, can we eradicate any detectable disease? Because we know that leads to much better outcomes. And then in the marrow and blood, and we're doing 6 months and 24 months as other important endpoints. And so we're presenting tomorrow at the meeting the first data on that trial. Mainly toxicity showing that it's manageable, so we're not seeing a lot of tumoral lysis, which would be a concern, and we're seeing a bit of neutropenia, which we're used to. So it's all manageable. We've got 50 patients in the trial now, and the initial responses that we're seeing in the peripheral blood are very impressive. So we're seeing really dramatic reductions in disease level, 2 or 3 log reductions in a matter of weeks. And so it's very encouraging. The first marrow data will be a couple of months down the line, but certainly the early response data is very encouraging.